Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious marshmallows with egg whites. First, gather all your ingredients, including sugar, corn syrup, water, gelatin, and fresh egg whites. Carefully separate the egg whites, making sure no yolk gets in. Then, prepare your pan by lightly greasing it and dusting generously with powdered sugar. This ensures easy removal later. Next, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. While the syrup cooks, bloom your gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water for about 5 minutes. Now, in a stand mixer, whip your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. With the mixer running on low speed, slowly and carefully pour the hot sugar syrup in a steady stream down the side of the bowl. Once all the syrup is incorporated, add the bloomed gelatin. Increase the speed and whip until the mixture is very thick and fluffy, about 10 to 12 minutes. Finally, pour the warm marshmallow mixture into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly with an offset spatula. Allow the marshmallows to set completely at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Once firm, invert them onto a surface dusted with powdered sugar. Dust a sharp knife with powdered sugar and cut into your desired shapes. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.